There we go.
Gary says he's inbound. We're going to get Chris Darnell turned back around in the $12,000 horsepower Brent and Whitney Jimmy Howard pickup truck. Down to 60 in 1.5 seconds. And Chris, 9 negative G's when he pops the chute. 6 positive when he hits the go handle.
It's slow.
They started out of the way here. That's a real safety concern. The guys have to be able to see each other. We're so glad you came here today for the Labor Day open house here. So if you get a chance to drop a note to the folks here at the Caffeine Beer, thank you for doing this. I know they appreciate your encouragement. Chris Darnell pop out of the fog at 375 miles an hour in just a moment.
Just unbelievable. Listen to the sound of the jet.
Okay, let's listen to him spool it up now. Jay, you can leave the sound down for just a second here, and then we'll rock and roll. All right, let's listen to him. See when he hits the... There it comes.
Watch.
Stand by, stand by.
Watch the smoke.
And it's on.
Fast.
They'll raise it.